Well, hello everybody. Well, most of you know who I am, and of course, this life is in fact good. As you can see, this is one of my new favorite brands now, and I'm doing what I'm liking, and of course I'm liking what I do, like on any of these shirts, and of course, life is in fact good, and now, of course, before you start making judgmental comments, I want you to take something into consideration, or any of those mean and weird comments. I know my models are going to be bad, but I save them as best I can. Do you think this guy here, Jake, and his dog Rocket, or that other girl he's with, mind you, do you think they would make judgmental comments about my works on my models? I say this because many of these model kits I saved from being thrown in the trash. And of course, I understand that the decal sheet was not good. And of course, what I have here are two United Airlines Boeing 747-400 models, scale 1 to 44, from 1999. And I will admit that in either kit, the decal sheets were not good. Of course, this one here, I want you to think of this as Simlish. Simlish is the language from, of course, The Sims. And of course, for your mean and judgmental comments, mean and weird comments, if you want to make, all I have to say to your mean and weird comments is, dag dag. Okay. Stand by, let me answer this. So now, of course, all that's left to do is hang. Now, of course, I even have an English version of the United Airlines 747-400 kit from 1999 made by Revell. As you can see here, here's an English version. Now, here's one thing I want you to take from this video. Even though the decals do not look good, I want you to know that from all these years, since I built one of these before when I was little with my father, I mean, these United Airlines colors have been through a lot. And of course, I want you to use their condition as a reminder of what these colors have been through. And I've done my best to bring those colors back as best as I could. As you can see here. Also, keep this quote in mind. When and if at first you don't succeed, of course you will try again. You know, like I did with the Simlish version here. This here will definitely remind you of what these colors had went through, such as September 11th, 2001, along with, of course, many other things these colors had went through, like adverse weather, you name it. And oftentimes that damaged the colors of the airplane. And from there, I found a United Airlines 747-400 kit. And of course, same colors as these, but the decal sheet was much better, actually. And now, let's hang them. Now I'm going to hang the Simlish one first. The Simlish one takes the right side lead, and the English one will take the left side lead. Now, since my models on my ceiling are mostly military, here's one thing I want you to keep in mind. There is such thing as troop transport. And I want you to think of these airplanes as troop transport. Because Aero Air, as well, they do military air charter flights, meaning they fly our troops to wherever they need to be in order to be stationed for their duty assignments, whether it's combat, support role, whatever. No, not too bad. Hanging. May not be straight and level, but okay. I'll go get the English version now. Well, here it goes. Okay, now I realize that the kit number here is 85-4672. Now, look for this kit while you can, because I don't think this kit is going to be around anymore. It's 85-4672. It's 85-4672 for this kit here. If you can see it. And now, here goes the English version. Like I said, as you can see here, think of these airplanes as troop transport. All my models are friendly on the ceiling. Alright, Sims take the lead. Here we go. English somehow take the lead. Well, it's got an attitude of wanting to turn this way. It's probably going to correct itself. Maybe not. This here should not be a problem. I'll move it. I'll move it. Okay. Okay. Let's hang it right here. Well, all set. Or not quite. I'll go on to part 2 if I have to. It's a matter of monitoring the screen. I'll correct this at some point in time. Here we go, all set! 2 troop transporters on my ceiling. I'll just squeeze airplanes in there as I get them. I'll move them around. I'll never give up on this hobby as best I can. Once again, of course, think of this, think of the other one as Simlish. Of course, life is good. As you can see here, do what you like what you do. See you around.